Hello guys, good evening everyone. Welcome to the session and welcome to the India's most comprehensive preparation platform, the BYJU'S exam prep. First of all, before beginning the session, I really apologize due to some technical issues. We were, just sorting out the things. But yes, the session is live. Session is not at all cancelled. I was looking into the comment box. Students worried. Don't worry, guys. The session is live and much bigger session is about to come after this. So sessions will keep on going live. Okay, but हमको पता है ना, sometimes if we get 5-10 minute issues, we never stop. You also never stop. We also never stop, and the session has to happen at any cost. So once again, guys, Ankit, Joshi sir, and me welcome you all to this session where, guys, GATE is. If I talk about computer science or electrical electronics, it's just 1 week ahead, and if we talk about mechanical civil, that also 2 weeks. But anyways, it's a shorter period of time, right? In this shorter period of time. Some of you might not have studied maths, might have skipped it, or some of you might have done it roughly but not properly revised and not practice questions done. You're having so many doubts. But at the end, we know we can't neglect this subject because this is having a big weightage. So in this session, if you're really curious to know, can we score 13 out of 13? If you are curious to know, stay tuned. We are just going to tell you at the end of this session that how that 13 out of 13 is still possible and how we can make it big, how we can really make it possible. So Ankit sir, over to you. Let's get started.
Hello students, good evening. कैसे हैं आप लोग? Students, as you all know that tomorrow onwards or for 2 days we will be having full day marathon classes. So most of the students are commenting that, sir, at this point of time, is it possible for us to spend 2 days and join your session? Of course it is possible. And you have to do that, because if you try to do the revision of engineering maths by your own, then it would be very, very difficult for you to finish all the topics. It will take a lot of time to cover all the topics by your own. Even if you go by your notes, even if you go by your class notes, short notes, that will work, but it will increase the level of the desperateness in you in terms of other subjects as well. You will be feeling that how other subjects also will be covered. So students, we are taking up the responsibility of engineering mathematics. Just give us 2 days. We will be just making you score 13 marks from this section, and you have to take up the responsibility of the rest. Rakesh sir.
Yes guys, so big event coming for you. Many of you, when I took the aptitude marathon, many of you were curious. Yes, sir, do you have any plan for maths? Can you help us in the maths and all? But right now I see only 150, 160. What is that, guys? If it is that much, I'm not going to take the class. Let's be very clear. And Ankit sir is also very clear on this stand, right? We are not here for very view. We are putting 2 full days. We are getting so much of the content on YouTube. So we need that students are interested, and the interest level is directly proportional to the quantity of the students. So do not forget to share it up. Okay, because Ankit sir और मैंने कल रात को ही बहुत detailed discussion किया है that what should be the attendance. Okay, because if we are going non-stop for 12 hours, what we need? What we need from you guys? Nothing, na? YouTube is all free. What we need is just what is our petrol? Just your love, just your presence, and just that attendance. So already we will not say right now, but Ankit sir and me as a minimum attendance. क्या बोलते हैं sir? Right, so that love from students is required, that minimum love is required, right? So do not forget to subscribe the channel, because not only maths content, many other contents going to come up on this channel. Okay, after maths, what is coming tomorrow, wo bhi reveal karenge. Tomorrow I will reveal what is there after maths also. So many things are there. Okay, and guys, tonight by your favorite Abhinav Negi sir, the Civil Dawn. Okay, halaki jo aaj ka session hai, that is not specifically civil. Every student can attend that. What are the examination hall strategy? It is going to happen tonight at 11:15 p.m. Tonight at the 11:15 p.m. on the Hindi YouTube channel. अपने 3 hours को कैसे manage करें? How you are going to utilize that 3 hours to get the best possible marks in the examination by the Abhinav Negi sir. आज ही रात को Hindi YouTube channel पे, right? So guys, now this is end moment. We all know. Just to highlight you, हमें पता है, but होता है ना, कोई चीज को बार-बार देखने से माइंड में स्ट्राइक करता है, and we should strike that this is no longer a smaller portion. Although 72 marks is for technical, but in the 72 marks there are nearly 8 to 10 subjects depending on branch to branch. There are 8 to 10, 11 subjects. So if you take the average of the technical also, most of the subjects 9, 10 marks, 8 marks is the average. Okay. Mathematics itself, one subject, 13 marks. And trust me, guys, the effort required in mathematics, okay, is definitely lesser than effort required in any technical subject, for engineers especially. Okay. But if we want to put that effort, then we can make this 13 out of 13 possible. So just a reminder, we already know that. But because of this running time, जैसे कि मैंने बोला, only 1 week left for the GATE exam to start up, right? There is no update from IIT Kharagpur, and as I told you earlier also, as students, let us, as you being students, let us not participate in debating whether it is right or wrong. मेरा भी ओपिनियन है, ठीक है, some things are wrong, some things are right, but अभी हमारे पास टाइम ही नहीं है डिबेट करने का, because we don't have any official update, and that means exam is starting on 5th February. So हमें केवल पढ़ना है, हमें केवल यही चीज सोचनी है कि how to score the better. एग्जाम जब भी हो, राइट नाउ इट इज 5th, बट हमें स्कोर कैसे करना है बेटर, दैट इज व्हाट इज द स्टूडेंट्स ड्यूटी राइट नाउ. ओके, एंड दैट इज व्हाई, एंड एज द टीचर्स ड्यूटी, वी आल्सो नेवर स्टॉप. वी हमने तो कभी, शायद अंकित सर, हमने या बायजूस की किसी फैकल्टी ने सोचा भी नहीं होगा कि एग्जाम पोस्टपोन्ड और नॉट. यस, इफ इट इज पोस्टपोन्ड वी विल गिव यू मोर कंटेंट, इफ नॉट वी आर गिविंग यू एवरीथिंग टू गेट द बेस्ट रैंक, एवरीथिंग. राइट, क्या बोलते हैं अंकित सर?
यस सर. Yes, students, yesterday till 2 a.m. or 2:30 a.m. we were under the discussion that what will be the flow of the topics, what are the questions we have to take, what are the topics, what should be the flow, what should be the timing of each and every part, so that we should not skip out anything in your session. It's, see, you are not at all paying anything, but your presence is a lot of responsibility for us. So when you come to our classes, we are automatically becoming responsible towards you. So students, yes, we need one thing from your side, only one thing, that you should make this session viral. You should just spread this link in large number of your contacts, so that we are expecting some unexpected number in tomorrow's class. I should not reveal that number, that what we are thinking of, because that will be a deadline for you. No, we just want to say that number should be an unexpected number for us as well as for you. And students, whenever you are going to board a train or a flight, what happens in your mind? A lot of anxiety is there, that अरे यार मैं लेट ना हो जाऊं, कहीं बोर्डिंग शुरू होने के बाद ना पहुंचूं, कहीं थोड़ा सा लेट हो गया तो दिक्कत हो जाएगी, ट्रैफिक में फंस ना जाऊं, I should not got stuck in the traffic. So what should I do? So students, this always happens before the beginning or before the arrival of a big event. So big event is GATE exam. So we are trying to reduce that level of anxiety by making our presence with you during your preparation. So just we want to be with you during your preparation for this 2 days, and yes, for other subjects till the date of your exam. So you should be with us, we will be with you, and just reduce the level of your anxiety, and so that you will be performing at the best level in your examination.
Right. So Ankit sir, what do you think? Really students should think whether it is possible or impossible. I think we should kick away this impossible. Right. Everything is possible, and maths, if you are following here, 13 out of 13 is possible.
Sir, since we are addressing engineers, and everything is possible for engineers.
Right.
Yeah.
So guys, if you are really anxious, so Ankit sir is very shortly going to tell you how this anxiety is going to be revealed. Okay, many of you might be feared, not only about this subject, about all other subjects also. Okay, but right now we both will be definitely helping you in the best manner to give you the best support in the math. So sir, how would their anxiety is going to be removed?
Sir, they have to keep belief in themselves, number one. Then they have to believe their gurus, number two. Number three, whatever we are saying, whatever we are doing as a part of BYJU'S team or as a part of GATE fraternity, we are always doing anything, everything in favor of the students. So students, if at all in your mind there is a thought that exam would be going to cancel or some dates will be changed, postponed, just remove all this kind of stuff from your mind. Enjoy your studies, and what should I say at this point of time, that whatever you have done in the past 1 year, 1.5 years, the time is very close to execute it. So what you can do now, you should enjoy. We believe that you would have enjoyed the path of this preparation, and now this is the time of execution. So by the time of execution, this we are just say 5-6 days away from our exam, maybe 2 weeks away, those who are appearing in the second week of February, the second weekend of February. So students, just give us some time, spare some time with us, so that automatically your anxiety level will come down and you would be feeling relaxed before your exam. And of course, we will be dealing with some concepts also. Students, what does this particular screen tells? There is a lot of notes with you, lot of material with you, and you may be thinking what to prepare, what not to prepare. A lot of questions are there in your mind. So answer is very simple. There is a very less amount of time for you to revise, not only maths, other subjects as well. But as far as we believe that maths is the easiest subject, but it is the vast subject as well. A lot of chapters are there. Most of you have not prepared complete maths also, but we are guaranteeing you what, sir? We are guaranteeing the entire revision for the entire subject, entire mathematics.
Entire. See, guys, some topics, that's what. Now, first of all, let us reveal that what is exactly coming in front of you. Yes. Guys, so mathematics, some of you may have the query whether it is for what branch. So let me tell you guys, most of the topics are common for all branches. 1 or 2 chapters, okay, like complex is not in civil, but it is in other branches. We will cover everything, right? We will cover algebra, we will cover probability, we will cover calculus, we will cover vector, we will cover, differential equation and complex and etc. Okay, everything is going to be covered in this 2 days, non-stop maths marathon, full syllabus coverage in the 2 days. And this goes live the day number 1. This goes live day number 1, that is just tomorrow at 11 a.m. kal subah. Okay, and be ready, guys. It's a whole day marathon, right? It's a whole day marathon. Yes, Sarthi, discrete is in our plan. So, once we start this marathon, and once if there are a lot of computer science students, because computer science have only 3 chapters, algebra, probability and calculus, okay, excluding the vectors also. So if there are a lot of computer science aspirants and if they demand for vectors, if they demand for discrete, so day number 3 we can plan the discrete for them, don't worry. Okay, yeah, that is definitely in our lineup. So guys, 2 days, 11 a.m. to 10 a.m. So Ankit sir, I request you to tell the students how long this session is going to be approximately. So by 11 baje to aana ekdam, have a heavy breakfast. Ekdam full, between the session, don't say hungry and all. We will give you breaks. We will give you lunch breaks. We will give you tea breaks. Okay, बहुत लंबा साथ है हमारा. Okay, so you will need little bit of the refreshment. So everything we will give you break. But how long the session is going to be? क्या plan है अंकित सर बताएंगे? And exactly what is this going to offer you?
सबसे पहली बात तो ये है कि सर they have to attend the session for the whole day. So my kind suggestion is not to take heavy meals. Okay, so if you are ready to attend this full day sessions for 2 days, so try to have lighter food with you, either fruits or any kind of snacks that can add, like you can have dry fruits, you can have fruits with you, so that you should not waste your time in skipping the session minutes. Number 2, students, you should be ready with your calculators. You should be ready with your class notes, whatever. If you have attended our classes earlier, you should be ready with those notes. You should be ready with some rough sheets also, so that whatever we are doing on the screen simultaneously you would be doing. You should not be just watching. Okay, so you should be solving the questions with us. Okay, so that this amount of time, this 2 days amount of time, 2 days entirely will be useful for you, will become useful for you. So
right, yeah,
most probably Rakesh sir will be giving you a start for this session, and then I would be joining in this in few hours.
Yeah, that is what, as I told, night we had the discussion. Maybe one more round of discussion we will have, and then we will finalize. But one thing is sure, okay, topics will be divided between us. Okay, some topics by me, some topics by...
We will not reveal the sequence of the topics as of now in the class.
सीक्वेंस भी नहीं करेंगे एंड आई थिंक सर आज रात में जब हम मीटिंग करेंगे एंड रात में जो फाइनल होगा दैट हु इज गोइंग टू कम टुमारो, लेट दैट आल्सो बी अ सस्पेंस.
Sir, one more point. We have decided one number, if threshold level, if the attendance goes below that level, it would be difficult for us to conduct.
Yes, that is very sure, because whole maths, and not only about the whole maths, full day me and Ankit sir will be there switching the sessions. Okay, topics are divided. We will not going to reveal the topics, what is taken by me, what is by Ankit sir, and we are not also going to tell you the schedule. We are not going to tell you that, मतलब schedule तो बता दिया, but sequence नहीं बोलेंगे. We will not say that what comes at 11 a.m. It could be any topic. Yeah, one thing I'm sure that what is the first topic coming at 11 a.m. It is for all branches, including computer science. राइट, क्योंकि कंप्यूटर साइंस को हमेशा डाउट रहता है कि मैथ्स में कौन सा टॉपिक आएगा. यस, 11 AM whatever we go live, it is both, it is topics for all, EC, EE, mechanical, civil, computer science, instrumentation, production, and any other XYZ branch of engineering. Okay, that will be the first topic which is for all branches. Okay, who is going to start? Probably me, probably Ankit Joshi sir. Right now I think we stand at head or tail position, 50-50% probability hai. Okay, so that tomorrow 11 AM you are going to see the face coming live. That is also a suspense. Only one thing is sure, complete पूरा कराएंगे, sequence आपके लिए suspense रखेंगे, so that you know you are also 100% attentive. तो concepts पूरा cover होगा guys इसमें. You are going to get the most important questions. Okay, as per the GATE level. You are going to get short notes. I will explain you about the short notes also, and you are going to get the revision tips. मतलब not only teaching, meanwhile Ankit sir and me, whatever we feel, we will keep on adding. कि what are the revision tips? हम जो पढ़ा रहे हैं वो तो ठीक है. उसके अलावा what are the revision the methods that you should follow after our classes? About the short notes, I will tell you guys very simple. Whatever we are teaching, we will share you the PDF in the Telegram. But one simple rule, as followed in my other classes. Okay, whether it is my PDF or Ankit sir PDF, we will make sure it is password protected. Or password will be there in the live class. बाद में password बताएंगे नहीं. Yes, Ankit sir.
Sir, I have one query.
Yes, sir.
That I should discuss you earlier, but since I got in my mind right now, sir, would this session become private after the completion?
Sir, usually this decision is taken by the YouTube community team. But I think so it may also become private, because I think if you are sitting there for 12 hours, those who are, you know, putting the efforts for 12 hours, उनके लिए क्या benefit है? Okay, so guys, maybe whether this is available in recording or not, we are not sure. There is a chance that it may become private also. Okay, so live attendance is what we can ensure we are going to cover. Okay, rest all is decided by the YouTube team, and maybe it goes private also. So very important point raised by Ankit sir, ये आपको मैंने बता दिया. Right. And anyways, I was telling about PDF also. The password of the PDF is only within the live class, और कभी भी बता देंगे randomly.
Password we will generate by the solution of a homework question.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, बहुत बढ़िया. Yeah, we'll do it like that. चलो. Right. So guys, this is what the session is going to cover. Other than this, Ankit sir, what do you think? मतलब हम तो पूरा content दे देंगे. We will give the concepts and most important questions, everything, and the PDF, that is the short notes ultimately. Other than that, no, what should student do? Little bit. Time तो ज़्यादा है नहीं, but थोड़ा बहुत students को अपने level पे क्या effort करना चाहिए? Little bit extra by the students.
Number one, sir, एक तो जो previous year questions है, the previous year questions students has to attempt. But recently we have taken a series on our Hindi channel as well. So students, what you can do, what me and Rakesh sir have decided, that we will be giving you the beautiful concept, the associated problems, the tips and tricks related with that concept. Some questions, if there is a difficult topic, we would give you more practice. If there is an easier topic, we would give you more practice questions.
Right.
So
that will be our experience. हम अपने experience के हिसाब से number of questions को manage करेंगे.
And our suggestion is, even after attending this session, you can just go by the previous year question papers. It means you must at least solve all the previous year questions. And I believe that most of the questions are already taken on our Hindi channels, recently completed sessions also. If you have attended that, then that would be well and good.
Right. Other than this, guys, after we complete the syllabus, you can take up online tests. 2 to 3 subject tests of maths will be sufficient, because time is very less. Okay, जो लोग mechanical civil के हैं, they can take even 4 to 5, because you have 2 more weeks. So take the small subject wise test, because anyways you are following the mock test also, na? So in the mock test also approximately 7, 8, 9 questions of maths will be there per paper. So mock test will also help you in getting some maths question. So practice, 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 get the concept. So we will go live with the concepts and questions. Right. Yes, yes, Vicky, it's nearly 10 to 12 hours a day. Approximate duration is 10 to 12 hours a day. Okay, depending on complete karna hai and depending on the attendance. Everything depends that how the temperament of the student is. If it is more, so even 12 is no limit, sir. बच्चों का प्यार बहुत ज्यादा है तो वो 12 तो क्या, that can go 13, 14, 15,
last
anything.
year that happened.
Last year that definitely happened, right? So guys, expectation is from you, right? So you should spread it across all the friends. Let me give you the final schedule because this was supposed to be a small session. Let's get back to action क्योंकि अभी बात करने का ज्यादा समय है नहीं हम लोग के पास ना आपके पास क्योंकि आपका एग्जाम आने वाला है. So guys, the first session goes live tomorrow at 11 a.m. and then on Sunday at 11 a.m. 2 days, 11 a.m. 11 a.m. we are starting. Just now I shared the link. Once again, I share you guys. Immediately you can see in the comment box, I have shared a link. That is the link to join the tomorrow's first class. That is the link to join the tomorrow's first class. Open the link, set the reminder. Miss nahi karna hai. YouTube will remind you, set the reminder. Do not miss it up. And if you are really interested, guys, and if you really appreciate the effort of BYJU'S exam prep, open the link of tomorrow and start liking from now. Make it viral, make it trending on the YouTube from now only, guys. So do open the link. Reminder to set kari do. Reminder aapke liye hoga and start liking it right now. Okay, jitna like karoge, let's make it trending, trending, trending. Let's really see. Okay, if you appreciate this efforts, then only will be motivated to bring these many efforts in the future also. In the future also. Right. Yes, Ayush, I told you that the discrete maths plan we'll speak with the CA students tomorrow. Don't worry. We will speak about the discrete maths plan also with the CA students tomorrow separately in the session. Need not worry about that. Right. So guys, मेरे को एक बार comment box में बता दो quickly how many of you are feeling happy like this? Yes, guys. Is it this happy mode or not? I want to know and I want to see that in the comment box. How many of you are feeling happy like this? And if you are feeling happy, right? Mahavit, yeah, we'll see how first day goes, but yeah, the first topic that we are starting, Mahavit, is definitely all branches, as I told, including computer science also. Tomorrow 11 a.m. all branch topics will be started. Yes, so how many of you are feeling happy like this should be seen in the comment box, or happy lag raha hai? So I should see that likes on that mathematics session, guys. Tomorrow maths class should be liked and sent viral right now only. Right. Okay. All cool, cool, cool. Yes, sir. So students are interested. Students may, you know, that enthusiasm is seen. So guys, the session going live tomorrow at 11 a.m. on the same channel. Do not forget to subscribe. Those who are unsubscribed, subscribe right now so that you get all the channel benefits, you get all notifications. And as I told you, after the match also, you know, from Monday, we have some more set of GATE sessions that I will reveal by tomorrow. Don't worry. So do not forget to subscribe the channel just immediately to get everything notified for you. Once again, a reminder about Abhinav sir tonight at 11 p.m. on the YouTube Hindi channel. Okay, the YouTube Hindi channel. Abhinav sir, your favorite civil don, right? धमाकेदार तरीके से रात में आएंगे and he is going to tell you कि 3 घंटे को जो गेट का एग्जाम का 180 minutes होगा, how you have to balance and manage your 3 hours. Okay, and how to stay calm in the exam hall, everything about the exam hall. Hall के अंदर जो जो difficulty आप face कर सकते हो वो भी सर बोलेंगे and how to handle all of them. Tonight 11:15 हिंदी YouTube चैनल. ओके, तो उसको भी जाके आप शेयर इवेंट को सर्च कर सकते हैं एंड लाइक कर सकते हैं. चैनल हिंदी चैनल को भी सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिएगा जाके. Ankit sir, over to you. Then let's finish, and I think students will be more than happy to join us tomorrow at 11 a.m.
So students, this is not the end of the session. This is just the beginning, and beginning for the new enthusiasm that we will start at tomorrow 11 a.m. So students, I just request you that you should not miss out, because what happens, this may be the case that around 2 p.m. or 3 p.m. Till 2 p.m. or 3 p.m. you would not have attended the session, and then suddenly you open and you just entered the comment box and have seen the picked up confidence level of other students, and then you decide to join. Then you may feel that अरे यार पहले join करना था. So it's my kind advice that you should join the session from the beginning. And students, this is not a 1 hour session that you should be joining in big numbers in the beginning, and by the end of this by the end of 1 hour or 2 hour we may feel a drop. Students, if you want, what is the purpose of this session? The purpose of this session is to make you comfortable in entire engineering maths for GATE 2022 in just 2 days of time. If you want to achieve the same, then you should be having your presence right from the beginning till the end. Then only you would be able to get 13 out of 13. Otherwise, our commitment will fail. Okay, do you want that what we say will not hold good? Of course not. So you should be there right from the beginning till the end of the session, and the number should be such that our energy level should be very high. Yes,
right. Guys, yeah, some of you are asking about tomorrow's link. I have shared multiple times. Once again, I'm sharing. This is the link of the tomorrow session. And the day 1 and day 2, that is 29th and 30th January, 11 a.m. Short notes will be provided, PDFs will be provided, everything will be provided to you. So those who have joined right now, you can watch the session. Me and Ankit sir have also told you what is going to be the contents, whether it is question, concepts, what is the planning, everything is there within this session. So abhi join hue, you can just rewind the session and watch it up. So even the entire coverage of the session also we have told in this slide. Right now, let's conclude, guys. Okay, let's see you tomorrow. Okay, let's see you tomorrow. Let's connect. Sai Charan, my Telegram ID is gate/ESE by Rakesh Talreja. And Ankit sir, आपका भी एक बार ID बता दीजिए स्टूडेंट्स को.
हाँ सर, मेरा तो अंकित इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स बाय अंकित जोशी सर, ऐसा सर्च करने से आ जाता है.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल है ना. तो यू कैन सर्च इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स बाय अंकित जोशी सर, एंड आप मेरा सर्च कर सकते हैं gate/ESE by राकेश तलरेजा. कल के सेशन में हम लिंक भी शेयर कर देंगे, डोंट वरी, बिकॉज पीडीएफ विल बी देयर. ओके, चलो गाइस, सो सी यू टुमारो एट 11 AM. Okay, till that time, okay, just spread it across. Bye bye. And spread kar dena sabhi ko, share it in all your, wherever your students are connected, you have some preparation groups, you have some college.
share करने का बोलते हैं ना, ये हमारी ग्रुप्स में आगे शेयर कर देते हैं.
नहीं, हमारे में तो हमारा YouTube टीम खुद कर देगा. Guys, you take care of your college and other friends, those who are in need right now for the GATE 22 preparation. उनके लिए जो need में है, ऐसा नहीं हर कहीं, जो need में है.
Just they have to share in all their contexts. There will be someone who is waiting for this session.
Right.
In each and every context.
Yes. So guys, it's not also 100 likes. That is the link, guys. Open up the tomorrow session and make it 100 likes right now, yaar. For the tomorrow session, I'm telling. Abhi ka to triple century hone wala hai. Guys, triple century for this session, like 288 we are standing. Let's make it triple century, and kal ke session pe abhi se isko 100 likes kar dena hai, right? Okay. So guys, bye bye. Thank you. Stay safe. Take care. See you tomorrow at 11 AM. And once again, this is the link. Make it 100 likes for the tomorrow session right now. Bye bye. Thank you. Stay safe. Take care.
Jai Hind.
Jai Hind.